Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to share with you, I went to a couple of stores. I'm going to share with you, I stopped at the Dollar Tree and I got some things to do a tablescape. Yes, that's going to be a July tablescape. Or maybe earlier, I don't know. I'm going to be sharing it on Tablescape Tuesday. Guys, Tablescape Tuesday is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. And it's an open collaboration for anybody that wants to participate. So I think you guys should come and join us. Guys, I'm going to share with you what I got. I have a runner. You guys can see. It's a table runner. And it's for the holiday. It has some stars in it. So you guys know where I'm going with it, right? So this is one of the items that I got. I will be placing them here on the floor. I spent, it says $29, but $10 was cash back that I needed. So minus 10. So yeah. So there's my receipt from the Dollar Tree. You guys know, you guys can see I have a lot of plants. So some of them need to be repotted. So I got 2 small pot for the flowers that I got at the window. I don't know if you guys can see. You see the flower plant right there at the window over there. So I have 2 of those. So I'm going to be repotting those. That was a gift from the maintenance guy that takes care of the property. So they put some plants on the front. So he gave me those 2 that he had left. And they are growing dramatically. And they bloom all year around. So why not? So here goes. I got 2 of those. And of course I got some better food for my dogs. I mixed a little bit of this food with their hard food and they're happy to have it. And also I have another planter. And this plant right here that you guys see right here, this is an avocado tree. So it was a pit that I had and I forgot that had a little piece of avocado and I had it in a Ziploc bag and it bloomed. So I figure I grow it and let's see. And that is the big avocados. So my son said that when he moved to Florida, he wants it. So I said, sure. In Florida, so tropical, so it will grow. So I got this one because I have it in a little tiny pot, so it's time to repot it. It's going to be already 6 months that I have it. And of course, we also have the summertime tier tray coming up. So I bought some things for the tier tray. This is a bow tie. You guys can see, but I'm going to use it to decorate my tier tray. I also got this little guy here. I will be using it on a tier tray. There you guys have it. It is so cute. It's metal. So I do have more in a box that I have packed up, but I saw that one and I decided to grab it. Also, I have these 2. These are 2 Ottomans. I got these 2, but these ones I could use a napkin ring. So I'm going to do that. Also, I got this garland. You know, I don't know why they do this garland like this and then they leave this much space empty. So once you take the tag, you're gonna have those two space empty. So yeah, so I got this garland and this is wood. So as you guys can see. And my Dollar Tree don't still have any ribbon, but I found this one. This one was hidden somewhere where it's not supposed to be for the fall. So I grabbed this ribbon. This is a wire ribbon. It is 2.5 inch by 110 inch. So 3 jars, 9 feet. So I got this one. So it's cute. I don't know if you guys can see it really good right there. This is from when we have the lantern decor. And also I got the chalkboard stickers. This is for the jars. So I have some jars that I put flour, and another one have powdered sugar, and another one have cornstarch. So I'm going to put what they are, so like that there's no confusion. And also I got this glasses for my tier tray, or if my grandson wants to use them, or maybe I will use them myself. So let's see. They're cute. That's why I bought them. So let's see what they look like on. That's funny. But actually, they do look good for the sun. So, yep, I got that. Or maybe I put them on the tier tray, laying, you know, for decor. And also, I have some bags of stones. Some of them I will be using in the bottom of the pot for the drainage of the plant. I got one of each. So, I got one in black. I got one in colorful and a white one. So, or you could either use them on the bottom of the plants pot, or once you put the dirt, you put them on the top, and it prevent for those little annoying little, what do they call them? Gnats? They're like fruit flies, but they come in the dirt. So it prevents from that. So guys, that is my haul. So thank you for being here with me. Sorry for the movement of the tripod. And I want to say, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.